So I'm in the process of redoing the fan, the draft assist fan on my Dickinson heater here on Lyric. This is the outer casing. Love this little tile right there with the ship on it. Dickinson Newport. So I had to take the outer casing and the body of the heater off and apart to get to the fan. I've gone through and I've cleaned everything up really good with multiple ways of cleaning. Some of the other parts. The fan goes in here, and it's called a draft assist fan. When you're getting a little wind that's coming back down the chimney, you need to counteract that with a little bit of a fan down at the bottom. So they have this assembly that attaches to that unit right there. And here it is. What it was doing was making kind of a growling noise at low RPMs. You can set this at a variable speed to get the fan to blow either less air or more air, depending on how many knots of wind you have outside. Typically above 10 knots, I just put it on low, and I've run this thing in 25 to 30 knots of wind, kind of on a medium speed. Also, the ground wire on this little motor was super flimsy. It was only on there by maybe 2 or 3 wires, but you can tell this motor is probably just hammered anyway. I was going to try to take it apart, clean it out, and re-lubricate it. So what you get is a new fan motor, fan blades, mounting bracket, new off-on switch, and a new potentiometer. This is what it acts like a dimmer. You turn it one way to go slower and another way to go faster. And then I had to take it all off the mount on the wall here. I'm going to go through and redo the mount a little bit. That rattles a little bit, and I'll clean up the reflective metal on the back of it and clean that whole assembly up before I reinstall it.